A band of rain clearing south today with colder air filtering in, and the outlook into the weekend is chilly and unsettled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Friday.
Super glad.
This morning I actually had to sew a button onto my dress because it came off.
But that's because you're doing some
new clothes for the whole of 2024, re-wearing, even shopping from charity shops, hiring and even borrowing. I'm going to an event tonight and I've borrowed from Charlotte. And you know what? It's a tiny step, but it's important. And here's why. Because this Saturday is World Met Day. And the theme is at the front line of climate action. So it's meteorologists like me who are at the front line of climate action who tell you guys about what's happening with climate change. That is where you hear it from. So, yes, that is the theme for this year. And the reason this is so important is because this year the World Meteorological Organization want to highlight that. And there was a report out earlier this week that said 2023 was the hottest year the Earth has ever recorded. We have record temperatures, record greenhouse gas levels, the warmest decade we've ever recorded, the highest glacier retreat, the highest amount of Arctic sea ice reduction. So, yes, it's me harping on again about records being broken, but the problem is they are, and there's more, and they are accelerating. So, what have they done? The World Meteorological Organization have asked children from around the world, 80 of them from different countries, to talk about... It's been pretty mild so far this week. It's been hit and miss with regards to sunshine or rainfall, but a big change into the weekend because it's set to turn colder. A weather front, a cold front slips southwards, allowing the floodgates for colder air to move in from the north. So the winds have been southwesterly. That's why it's been so mild. This northerly turns things colder, and that allows low pressure to move in, which brings more wind and rain. So for today, the rain clears south, then the sunshine returns with this cooler weather moving in as well. The latest satellite and radar picks out the cloudy skies in the south where it remains mild. This weather front, the cold front, brings patchy rain and pushes away all of that mild air and stays damp and drizzly for the southeast for much of the day. Brighter skies follow for England and Wales. Heavy showers into Scotland and Northern Ireland. 8 to 13, we take about 4 or 5 degrees off our thermometer temperature. But when we add in the wind today, it will feel more like freezing across the north. You will need to wrap up warmly. As we head into the weekend, Saturday, heavy, frequent blustery showers. Sunday is drier and brighter. Good morning to you. It has all changed with our weather for today. It has been mild so far this week. A weather front slips southwards and interrupts the flow. It's been from the southwesterly direction, bringing mild air. But now it will come from more of a northerly direction this weekend, and that means it will turn cooler. So today, once that rain clears, the colder air moves in, but also the return of sunshine with some scattered showers. So this is how it looks right now. A band of cloud and rain will move across the southeast of England and East Anglia. Damp and drizzly this morning, lingering along the Kent coast until late afternoon. Behind it, we see the return of some sunshine. Blustery showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but temperature-wise, 8 to 13. That is around about 4 or 5 degrees down on yesterday on the thermometer, but when you add in the wind, it will feel more like freezing for some of us. So, tonight, a chillier night than we've been used to, a touch of frost around, a bright breezy start to our Saturday. Saturday is one of sunshine and heavy blustery showers, and again, struggling into double digits, so a much colder feel as we head into the weekend. Sunday is drier and brighter before rain moves in from the west later.